What's going on, my YouTube family? It's your boy Chris P, and today I am looking at the 1 minute on gold, and this video is mainly on channel trading. Okay guys, because channel trading is a very simple and easy method that anyone can learn as long as they know when to be patient. As you guys can see here, right now we are reaching the top of the channel, and drawing the channels are very simple. We are actually looking at this on a live chart. So this is all live, and the reason why I'm on a 1 minute is because I'm really trying to show you guys how I am trading live while I'm actually trading. Let's go ahead and draw these channels. What we're gonna go ahead and do is we're gonna find an area where we're gonna try to catch all of these bottoms here. So what I like to do is just draw it from here. Boom. Okay, let's try to hit all of those and the last one. All right, and then we're gonna do the same thing for the top, and I'm actually gonna try to make sure that I hit this level right here. Boom. Okay, so now that we have an actual channel, notice exactly what happens when price is at the bottom of the channel. We get a push forward upwards, and if it hits the top of this channel, we get a push downwards. Okay, if I wanted to actually play this a little bit more, I could hit this area and this area, and guess what guys, we're at the top of the channel and we shall be looking for sells. So let's go ahead and put our short position on at this very moment here, and what we're gonna want to do is we're gonna want to move this above this area on the channel. Okay, and what we're gonna do is we're gonna actually bring this right to around here, and let's see exactly what happens. And keep in mind guys, this is me live trading. This is a live scalp using just the channels really. Okay, now if we turn on trusted signals, let's see exactly what happens. And you know what, for this example as well, I will go ahead and remove this specific panel, and I will add the trusted signals oscillator, because oscillator for me gives me better entries, at least on the lower time frames. And as you can see here, we were a little bit above this area, so we should see it come back down. And let's go ahead and see exactly what happens and see exactly how this plays out. Keep in mind that trusted signals did alert a buy, and the buy was to 1822.41. All right, we have well surpassed this, and we already hit take profit 1. So take profit 1 has already been hit, and when we're on the 1 minute time frame, we are really very patient on our trades. Right now I'm doing this live. Of course I could have waited until the next wick on this blue line, but this is an example just to go ahead and show you guys how easy it is to get these entries and know exactly what price action and the market is doing. So what I'm gonna do is I'm gonna go ahead and step away from the computer, and let's see what happens.
A few moments later.
What's going on guys? So we're back, and as you can see here, we did not hit stop loss. We did not actually even break over this current trend level. Like I said, this channel is a resistance level, and it was a very good resistance level that stayed true, and we saw some rejection from here. We did not hit stop loss, which is a plus. Of course we could have waited for a better entry on this blue line here, and we would have faced zero drawdown. We entered prematurely, but you know, that is trading for you. The good news is we did hit take profit, and we did approach our area, which I knew it was gonna come down to, and that's this blue line on the channel here. And if you see exactly what happened, and you know, this is the way I trade. Support becomes resistance, and resistance becomes support. And what ended up happening, it tanked below, and we came and retested this area, tanked below, came back and retested this area. We're gonna be bearish in the market. And if we look at the 4 hour here, let's go ahead and refresh. You should be able to go ahead and actually now analyze where we are going. And to be honest, it looks like we might actually come back down to this resistance level. And even on the 4 hour, you can actually come here and make a trend like this. And as you can see here right now, we're fluctuating in the middle, so obviously it's a little bit difficult to determine where it's going. But if you were patient enough, now you can place your buy orders along this bottom area, and if it touches this area, we should see it pump back up, or if it does reach up to this blue level right here, we should see some rejection. So this is exactly how you channel trade. And if you look on the 4 hour, we're completely overbought, so we should see this come back down and tank a little bit further. Another thing to look at as well, if we look back at the 1 minute, you know, this is a great area to enter a sell, because guess what? We were overbought on the divergence oscillator, and we were at this beautiful resistance level, which was previously support. So we got shut down there and tanked below, and now we shall see the markets bleed just like this. This is how I trade day in and day out, and if you continue to practice these methods and, you know, these philosophies, you can become profitable. The market repeats itself over and over and over, and guess what? Now we could just be patient on this chart and wait for it to create another channel, and then wait for it to come to our zones, and boom, we're in there, and we're in there. All right, guys, and that's all for this video. Hope you like it. That's all for this one. Peace.